We bought it, we used it, and let me show it to you. So this is the rug from my kids' room, and they wanted a white rug, and today we're going to try to get it white again. So I've been trying to take care of things around the house. This has helped to preserve cushions and rugs and just to remove spots. So I'm going to try it here and see if we can get this back to its original color. So this has a container for adding water and it's cleaner. So I have the Oxy version of the cleaner and I'm going to add it to a fill line. I'm going to go with the smaller area one today, and then the machine actually has a dirty water one, and it will fill this one up with the dirty water, and then I'll empty it and rinse it out when I'm done. I'll show you how that works. So with the fluids added, I'm going to plug it in. It's got a nice long cord like any vacuum should. The machine is nicely designed to store. That's always a problem with anything that you get. And it comes with several different tips. So this is the one I find I use the most. I initially bought this to clean an old couch to go over all of its cushions and upholstery. And it did a good job with that. It was a lot of work. So this is not going to be a machine to clean an entire rug with. It's going to be one that you can use with a something this size. So the mixture here, I have actually gone a little strong on it this time because I am cleaning a white rug, and I think that it can handle that. It's not going to fade the color, in other words. So if you're using something, but it has a nice line that tells you exactly how much to add. That's on the inside, so I can't show it to you now. But anyway, so we're going to turn it on. It's pretty loud, but it's I'm going to go over this. I may let it set for just a few minutes in order to soak in some before I try to pull it all out. But in essence, the motion is I hold the sprayer here, and the spray is going to come out, and then you can scrub with the brush with this part, and then it's actually going to vacuum it up when you tilt it this way to pull up all the liquid. So here goes on. So the process is just a matter of getting some of the liquid cleaner on there, and you're doing that by the spray function, and then it's always vacuuming, and so once you put it against the surface, it will vacuum up the moisture as you scrub. So I'm going to turn it off there and let it soak for just a minute, and then we'll restart. So with this one, I am letting it soak in a bit more. I'm comfortable doing that because this is a small rug that I can pick up and let it dry somewhere else. If you've got a rug that's down permanently or a permanent carpet, you may not want to let it get that wet. But in this case, I'm not afraid of ruining it. It's not an expensive rug, but that's part of using a device like this, using a little vacuum. Just trying to take care of the stuff that we already have instead of buying something new every time something gets ruined. So I'm going to see how well it comes up now. You saw how it looked to start with, and we're going to go over it now. A little more scrubbing, and then let it suck up the moisture. We all know that convenience and regular use of anything is going to depend on how easily you can keep it together, keep it in working order. And so when you're finished cleaning with this Bissell, you put this green cap on, and then you squirt a little bit of cleaner through it and turn the vacuum on, and it will actually clean through the hose by itself. So this helps the hose not to have any old water sitting in it for the next time you're going to get it out and use it. Because if you're like us, this is going to sit on the shelf for a matter of months before you think you need it to use it again. So you want to take good care of it. The second cleanup step is emptying out the two bins. One has the dirty water in it. We don't have the utility sink right now, so I had to do it in the bathtub. Pretty easy. I'd rather not have to do anything like this, but I don't know that there's any way to get around it. So I think it works. So easy enough. So I hope that was a helpful look. Again, this is the specific version, the Spotclean Pro Heat Pet version of the Bissell cleaner. And was it a good purchase for us? Yes, it was.